Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all okay. So today, as you can tell by the video, I'm going to be doing my hair. I look proper. I look like somebody's wife right now, don't I? Skatisha. Looking so peng, they call me Skatisha. What? I told her I really want to meet her. But I'm joking. Right, so I'm basically going to be doing like 2 space buns using 2 bundles of hair. I'm going to show you how I revive the hair as well, because it's just been in a bag. It literally looks like this and it looks like this. So I'm going to show you how to bring the hair back to life, because I've had this like in buns, I've been using it for my ponytail and stuff, do you know what I mean, which is why it looks like this. I'm going to show you how I sort it out and take it from this to being able to use it for a look. I honestly look so trash right now. Sometimes people ask me like, oh my god, do you get like self-conscious when you come on with like no hair and no makeup? And I'm like, do you know what, not really, because the people that do, they're always the ones that are getting roasted by people. They'll be like, oh my god, did you see what she looked like with no makeup? Oh my god, did you see what she looked like if she had no hair? Do you know what I mean? Like, you can't do that to me, because I do it to myself, do you know what I mean? When you learn to take the piss out of yourself, then no one else can do it for you, do you know what I mean? You're in control of that. So yeah, I look stunning. What I'm doing is just brushing the hair. I just start from like one side and you just work your way. And I really like this hairbrush. It's a very, I don't know how to describe it, I don't know what type of brush it is, but it's really good at getting the kinks out of the hair. So it's easiest to start from the bottom of the hair and then just work your way up, and then just keep going along like that, and then just brushing it. I mean, doing up Stefisha. And then brush it. And I'm still really in love with this hair. Like I said, it's a perfect colour match for me, because my hair is not like a 1B. It's more like, I don't know, like nearly a colour 2. Like, it's quite brown, you can see. So this is like a good match for it. And I didn't have to dye it or anything. So if your colour, natural hair colour is similar to mine, then it will be good for you too. So already you can see this is just going back to looking like it's fresh out of the packet. Like that. Then what you want to do is, I'm just going to kind of fold it back up to how you would have had it when you bought the bundles, because I'm just going to run a straightener through it, and it's easier than going through the whole track of hair if you just make the thing small. Do you know what I mean? Like basically like this, and then like that, and then you can put a hairband. No, I won't, 'cause I can't find one. I'm just gonna straighten through this. Just look at it. And I love it, because sometimes I feel like when I first get virgin hair, it's very silky, and my natural hair is not silky like that. So sometimes the texture is a bit when you first get it. So I love when you've had it for a while and it starts to get like this. So I'm gonna put all the hair details of the hair on the screen now and in the description box, so you can have a look. And there's a code as well for 15% off, so make sure if you do order the hair, you use that and save you some coins. I like when it goes, you know, like this, and it's just got a bit more kind of texture to it, but it's still got swang in it as well. And I just run the straighteners through it. I mean, I do this again when it's on my head, that's why I'm not really that kind of fussed. Why am I holding it over here with the cameras here, please? But just so it's easier to work with, just run the straighteners through it. Yeah, it's still very soft movement for days, and it's been weeks now. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know, like, because it's just so hot in London right now, like every day if it's not hot, it's really muggy. I don't really want to have like weave, like long weave or anything like touching my neck and shoulders. So having my hair in a ponytail and out my face, or like in a bun or something like that, it's just been what I've been doing all summer. So now I'm gonna get our own hair ready. I'm just gonna comb out my hair. Okay, and then you want to make your parting for the buns. Now you can do one that's straight down. I think I want to make it a bit more interesting. I'm going to do a bit of a zigzag. Just want to make a line like that. Is that zigzag? No, a bit more. I'm gonna make one bend this way. Yes, it should end up with something like this, and then zigzag it down again. I think for me, I prefer more of a subtle one. If you want one that's more, you can obviously just do like smaller lines, so it'll be more, yeah, but I prefer one that is just more of just oh, that's quirky, rather than like, oh, you know, lift that a bit out. Once you've done that and you've got the separate sides, then we're obviously going to start creating our bunches. So you want to take some gel. I'm going to use the Eco Styler 1, and take a little bit. You just use as much or as little as you obviously feel that you need. And then this way you need to decide how high or how low you want it, the buns. I think I want mine kind of high, actually. Just gonna check that. Just got to make sure that this front bit is like smooth, if that makes sense. Like it smooths up into it rather than like going straight back. So next we're gonna do the other side. Let's tie it. Same as we've done for the other one. So once you've got everything flat like this, you then want to just take, this is a little brush. It used to be for an eye treatment I have, but it's quite a sturdy brush. I like to use it to do my baby hairs. I'm going to use a Dr. Miracle gel, dip it in, and then just start doing your baby hairs where you want them. So I'll do this little bit here. Oh, it's so hard, I've got no mirror. Okay, I'm going to do them quickly and come back. This is going to take too long. I legit look like 5 years old. Anyway, we're going to start with the bundles now. So what you want to do is take your first one and you want to get the bit that's joined at the top, so not the loose bit, the joined bit, and just wrap it around the base of one of your bunches. Take a bobby pin. I don't like using like too many bobby pins for this because I find after a while like you can start to feel them digging into your scalp. So poke that through, make sure it's secure, like that, and then just literally start wrapping the hair around the base. This hurts your arms, I can't even lie. After a while it starts to hurt the arms a lot. And then you just want to take one more when you finish and poke it through to secure that. And now that is secure. Like that, and just make sure it's all fine. I'm just going to put that there. I'm going to do the same for the next one. So I'm going to take the end, like I said before, that's joined already. So not the loose ends, it just makes it easier. And then put it along the base of where the hairband is, take a bobby pin and slide it in like that. And you'll know when it feels secure, like you can just feel that it's gone in properly. If it feels like loose or wobbly, then it probably hasn't, and you should probably do it again. Fuck me. My arm hurts so much, Lord have mercy. Like I said, if you wanted to, you could leave it like this. This is the whole look. If you wanted to leave it like this, then you can take a little bit of the hair, probably about that much, and then just wrap it around the base so that you can't see the tracks, and then, you know, you'd be done. And when I do my ponytail, this is basically it, and then I just wrap one around. But obviously we're doing space buns. Now you have to decide how messy or neat you want your hair. You need to decide. This is so 90s, this hairstyle. Are you mad? You could plait it and that would be a whole look. I kind of want to leave it like this. It's so cute, but now I'm gonna finish it. So yeah, you need to choose how messy or neat you want your buns. If you want them like neat, like a really clean kind of look, then all you literally need to do is twist it like that and then wrap it, and you'll end up with buns that look like this. But I think I want mine a little bit more like messy. I'm gonna do it quite loose and then just wrap it round and secure it with a bobby pin like that, and then I'm just gonna pull out like bits of it and then just secure the hair like that, so that it's not a neat bun, it's more of like just gathered. I prefer it like that. Okay, then we'll do the other side and this one. Yeah, I like that. I like that shape. And if you want them to look a bit more even, then obviously you can. Like I said, I don't. I prefer when it just looks a bit, you know, messy. What you want to do now to make sure this all set is take a headscarf and wrap it around. So I'm going to do that. This one needs to go in the wash, so just ignore it. Fold it like that. Fold it. And just fold it enough so that it's like headband size. And then just place it onto the hair like this. Wait. Yep, like that. Bring it round and then tie it at the front, and then you just need to leave this on for a little bit. Right guys, so this is the finished look. Obviously finished doing my makeup as well. So this is it. I think it's really cute. If you're like me, you don't like doing too many like wacky hairstyles, I feel like this is a nice kind of different hairstyle. It's really cute, it's out there. The parting just makes it a little bit more, you know, a bit more interesting than the standard middle part, and it's a great way to use bundles of hair. I just think you should always have bundles of hair in a bag somewhere to use. If you do need some, then definitely check out this company. Like I said, I have the details on the screen again now, and I'll put them in the description box for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.